Hello, little one. How are you? Don't stop trying to show your vagina on the internet, ma'am. It's not a good look on you. Seriously. Hey guys, what's up? It's Brent. A lot of you guys didn't believe me yesterday when I told the squirrel story, or you had reservations about it. Well, I don't know how to explain why there's a ShamWow in the tree, and it actually was over here last night, and it's here now. That motherfucker stealing my shit. Here's a clip from last night. God, Eric, what time is it right now?
It's like 3 o'clock almost.
I cannot get these hiccups. It's 3 in the morning currently. I've got a terrible case of hiccups. Oh God, they won't go away. B, why won't they go away? So I've tried to drink the, oh God, water upside down, and it does nothing. Oh, headstand?
Yeah, headstand.
Oh my God! And then drink water whilst in a headstand?
Yeah, it's totally gonna work.
This is destined
This
for
is how
failure.
you get rid of this is how you get rid of hiccups. It's science.
How much experience do
You can't argue with science.
Yes, I can when your science is flawed!
Alright, you got this? Oh, shit.
Oh, it went on my nose. It went on my... Oh, the worst. I haven't hiccuped yet. Oh, shit.
The pressure's on. Oh.
Does it go away because water went on my nose?
I think so. What's the verdict?
Wait.
Wait for it.
I'm crying. But I don't think that's related to the hiccups.
Hey, you haven't hiccuped in like a couple seconds at least. 30 to a minute.
Holy shit, did it work?
We are done with hiccups.
B! Success! Success! I feel great, Brent. Your hiccups are gone. Right on. Oh, ridiculous.
You are retarded.
See you guys tomorrow.